Hello guys, welcome back to Malik 034 channel. This is Malik Arjun. Today I am here with one more exciting topic on ASM disk group creation using ASMCA. ASMCA stands for ASM Configuration Assistant. That is a tool where you can feel the GUI mode of creating a disk group and viewing your disk and dropping the disk, and all related to disk group and disk related operation you can do it in a GUI mode. So ASMCA is a tool which default pre-built with your grid infrastructure. Once you do a setup, once you build up your grid infrastructure, so ASMCA the tool will be pre-built in that. So you can make use of this tool for all disk group related or disk related activities. One who like to have a GUI kind of feeling, and one who like to work in a GUI mode. So you can make use of this brilliant tool. So all this disk group creation, disk group drop, and adding disk, and dropping disk, everything can be done in command line also. So who are much familiar with command line, so they mostly used to do with the SQL prompt and then log into ASM and then try to do all these operations. But one who willing to work in GUI mode, so they make use of this ASMCA, like ASM configuration assistant. So in this today's session I'm going to explain you how to use this ASMCA tool for creating a new disk groups. So let's get started. So I'll just log into my rack. So I have a two node rack, so I'm logging to node 1. So this is my node 1, SM1. So as you see in the my screen, so you can check what is your uh, disk string parameter. Disk string is nothing but the discovery string where your ASM disk resides. So I'll just try to log into ASM. I'm at ASM now. ASM as a sorry for that, I will log in as a sys ASM. So once you log into SysASM, you do show parameter string or disk string. So it will say where are your ASM disks are mounted, or your raw disk which are formatted using ASM library, where they are mounted. So I will just quickly go inside this one, slash dev Oracle ASM disks. So if you do ls -ltr here, this is your all ASM disks. Okay, so these all are your ASM disks. So how this one you found out in physically at the server level. So at the server level in dev Oracle ASM disk, so you got all this formatted disk, ASM formatted disk. So at the ASM level, there's a disk ASM underscore disk command. So using that you can find the disk in which path your ASM is pointed, your disk string is pointed, where your ASM disks are resides. So for that, there's a ASM underscore disk view. You need to run that one, so that you will find out all the disks are exposed to this ASM instance. So I'm running this command. Okay, here you go. So right now at the OS level we verified 8 disks are there. Disk 1 to disk 8, disk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly at the ASM level, if you query this ASM underscore disk, you will find out all these 8 disks, right, from 1 to 8. And then if you see group member and group number, if you say any numbers here other than 0, it means these disks are already mounted or used. And also you can find out using this mount status. Catched means this is in use. And if you see group member, these up above 4 disks are not a member of any disk group, and not belongs to any of the disk groups. So 0 means it is not at all used. So it means if you're looking at this one, these 4 disks are free now. So I'm making use of these 4 disks. I'm going to create a disk group. So there are manual command. Okay, before that I will log into ASM command mode. ASM CMD is the command prompt where you can go into ASM command node. So you can do lsdg. You can see mounted. It means, and with the normal, there's a redundancy, right? Like normal, external, and high redundancy. Normal means 2 mirror copies. external means no mirror copies, high means 3 mirror copies, and these all are the size, what is usable size and all. And the name of the disk group is data. So data is a disk group already created. I'm going to create a new disk group called Rico using these 4 disks. So just I wanted to show this is the disk. You can see it at the ASM command mode, and also in the ASM SQL prompt also you can see this disk group. Okay, so we saw using ASM CMD command, ASM command mode, we saw using LSDG what is the disk group currently mounted, and similarly at the ASM level you can query this ASM disk group. It will tell what is the disk group already created. So if you see here, disk group number is 1 and data is the disk group name. It is already mounted and it is present here. So okay, let's get started using ASMCA, ASM configuration assistant, how to create a Rico disk group. I'm just launching ASMCA. ASMCA, if you once you set the environment, you can run it from, you can launch it from anywhere. So I'm just running the command ASMCA, ASM configuration assistant. So it will launch a GUI mode. Here you go. So we got a GUI screen. If you see here, data is the disk group name and size of total size of the disk group, and free size and usable size, and redundancy is normal, and mounted 2 of 2 means this cluster has a 2 instance and it is mounted on both the instances. So if you see ASM instances on the first tab, what are the ASM instance, what are the nodes, you can see here. It will take few seconds. Okay, see rack node 1, rack node 2, ASM1, ASM2, both are up and both are loaded. So if you go to this group, this data is mounted 2 of 2 means both the instance, both the rack nodes, it is mounted now. And if you see volume, there is no ASM volume group is created here. And if you see ASM ACFS file system, there is no ACFS file system created here. So it has a very good feature, this volume and ACFS. I will cover it in other in future session. Now I'm interested in this group, creating the new disk group. So then here umount means if you do umount, automatically it will dismount this disk group from the ASM. If you have 3-4 disk group created and you use this dismount and mount all, using these buttons you can mount it, graphically, those disk groups. Or you can command line also, you can go and mount it in the ASM prompt. First of all, now I'm going to create this Rico disk group. So for that, click on this create. Okay, so the moment I clicked on the create, so it will list out what are the disks available. You can see disk 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever I showed you at the OS level. So those disks are available. How this disk came here? Because of this discovery path. Discovery path, if you go dev Oracle ASM string, at the ASM level I showed you, right, like disk string. This is the disk string. So because of this it came here. So what about the used disk? So if you click on the show all, it list out all. This is all used and unused. So member means it's already member of the disk group and it is used. So provision means, so raw devices we formatted using ASM library and then we have given it to ASM, so that is a provisioned. So if you use the direct raw devices, the status will be like candidate. There are many status of the disk, so each status represents its own, how it has been provisioned and whether it is a old disk or new disk or raw disk or ASM provisioned formatted disk or already member of the disk. So there are so many status, I'm not going to cover right now. So my intention is to create the disk group. So I'll just click on this show eligibles, which are only eligible disks. So and then I'm going to create the disk group. So now show eligibles, only 4 disks. I'm going to select all those 4 disks and then I'm going with the normal redundancy. So as I said, high, normal and external. So I'll go with the normal redundancy is the 2 copies and I'm going to give name as a Rico. And then if you see advanced features, it has many more like compatibility parameter and all you can give. So that is not a matter now, so I'm not going to go ahead with that. So I'll just click OK. So this compatibility parameter you can give and size you can define. So I'm not going to take it I'm not going to give anything. I'll go with the default option. I'll click OK now, and then it'll it'll create the disk group and it will mount it automatically. If you see my screen here creating a disk group Rico, it will take a few seconds and then it will mount automatically. Okay, if you see this message, disk group Rico created successfully. So I'll just click OK, and then it will go back to ASMCA where it will list out data and Rico, both the disk groups. It is taking few seconds. Okay, so if you see here, data is one disk group and Rico is other disk group. 8 GB is in size and free is 7 GB, and usable is 2.86 because of the normal redundancy, two of two mirrored copies. And then if you see here, mounted on 2 of 2, so it means it is mounted on both the instance. So now what I'll do, I'll just exit, and at the SMCA we are able to see both the disk groups. Similarly, I will try to see at the ASM level. Now I'm trying to exit now. Okay, so I will log in back to first ASM command mode, and then I will show you there both the disk groups. Okay, now if I do lsdg, okay, data and Rico both are mounted. And if I go back to you know SQL command prompt, and then if I run the same query, you can see both the disk group data and Rico both are mounted. So this is the way we can make use of our graphical user interface like GUI mode of ASMCA. So hope this is pretty helpful, guys. Thank you.